Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is May. So an update of the plant here at the rooftop. So my lemon tree, and look at that caterpillar again. It's too small. Maliit pa siya, guys. Where is that? Under the leaves. And here is my lemongrass, my oregano plant, then the aloe vera that I replanted, and a small tomato. So here is my orchids again. They are blooming. It's just wonderful feeling to watch your plants grow. And here is my succulent or Cryptomeria moon glow. So another leaves there is about to grow, and it's growing, guys. Look. Here is another pot. Just trying to replant it, guys, and luckily they grow. And here another 3 of them. So I'll show you to where my pineapple grows and have a fruit. And this is the other side, guys, where I plant many or lots of pineapple. This is a taro plant. Look. And my tomato, just a single plant, but it bears so much fruit, guys. I have taken so many already, and still there having fruits. So this is a pineapple plant, guys. That's my lemon tree where the caterpillar is living. And here is another. I think it's about to bear fruit again. Look, lots of pineapple. And here is the one that having a fruit. Look, guys, it's big already, and it's just amazing feeling to have your pineapple finally bear fruit. Look, isn't it amazing watching your pineapple bear fruit just here at the rooftop? That's how it looks outside. And my aloe vera, lots of aloe vera, guys. Look. So if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for your endless support. To those who are my subscribers already, thank you. Thank you for your time. And please do share it with your community, guys. If you do like any of my videos, like cooking or rooftop garden update, or just some of my exercise or fitness. Thanks again, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your endless support, and have a blessed Friday.